Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. B. Satish Kumar, Professor of CSC Department from JNDH College of Engineering, Jagityal. I welcome all faculty members for this 1 week FDP program on PHP and MySQL. My heartfelt thanks to all faculty members who joined in this program. I am very much thankful to all faculty members across India for registering this 1 week faculty development program on PHP and MySQL. I am very glad to see the number, surprising number, around 3,500 faculty members have registered for this program, which is a great response from all faculty members across India. It is a great sign of faculty that never happened before. I never saw that number before, for one program, 3,500 faculty members registering. As a coordinator of this program, I am very thankful to all of you for making this program grand success in the initial stage itself. And you are going to learn about PHP and MySQL through Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay videos. So Spoken Tutorial is a platform to learn various programming languages with free of cost. We have trained under Spoken Tutorial nearly 1,000 students, all together, all branches. We are making them to learn every semester through Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay. So they even provide certificates to students also. So with this, I would like to have a basic introduction about PHP, which is earlier called personal homepage. Now it is called hypertext preprocessor. It is an HTML embedded server-side scripting language designed for web development. It is also used as a general purpose programming language. It was created by Rasmus Ledroff in 1994, appeared in the market 1995. I thank all faculty members once again for joining this program and making this program a grand success. I also thank Dr. A. Govardhan Garu, Registrar of JNTU Hyderabad, and our principal N.V. Ramana Garu for great encouragement to do this program. He never hesitated for any kind of program to organize in our campus. And also, last but not the least, Dr. T. Venugopal, Head and Professor of CSC, wonderfully organizing all programs throughout the year. In his period only we could able to have NBA. That is a great achievement of our department under his leadership. I am very thankful to all of you for joining this program and learn as much as possible and deliver these things to all your students. And about the program, you will be having an inaugural session as mentioned in the groups like 9 to 9:30, and then every day 10 a.m. you will be receiving a PDF file to learn. Around 10 videos will be posted in that PDF file. You have to go through those videos, and on the same day you will be having a quiz exam at 8 p.m. in the evening. So I request all of you to do quiz and then try to finish it by next day 11 a.m. Right? It will be closed. The link will be closed after 11 a.m. in the next day. And final exam will be conducted by Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay, which may be scheduled after this workshop. It will be intimated to all in groups. Right? Thank you very much, one and all, for joining us and encouraging our college to do such programs in future. I thank Mr. Shravan, our teaching faculty, teaching faculty and then Sindhuja, then Razu and Anusha, right? And another my friend like Venkatesh. These all are back-end support for this making this program grand success. I thank all the faculty members, regular faculty members who supported to do this, and mostly they have communicated to all faculty members in all groups. Right? Thank you very much, one and all, and wish you all success. Thank you.